I belong to Aligarh, or a friend of mine introduced me to this program, and I have had a very good journey. I've had a very good journey, and I mean, जो भी lapses हुए हैं, and I could have had better results. लेकिन मुझे लगता है जो भी नहीं हुए, that was all on my end, because initially I had been struggling with my weight for a very long time. And I had never ever very faithfully done anything really to help me with our weight. So इसमें मेरे को जब बहुत अच्छे results मिले ना, so that really encouraged me a lot. And for the first time, I saw my weight going down on my scales. So that was very encouraging. And but yeah, I do believe कि मेरे को और थोड़ी मेहनत करनी चाहिए थी. और बीच-बीच में gaps होते हैं, and then बीच में COVID आ गया. So that really halted all my schedule, because it was very difficult to follow the plan, and there was no help, and एक general जो सबको issues हुई हैं इस COVID times में. But all in all, I had a very good journey with you all, and again I would really like to thank Dr. Shikha and her whole team, and a wonderful bunch of girls. Especially I would like to name Anushri. She was my dietitian. And हमेशा हर चीज़ very prompt, and she was always there and to guide, and she's always been very very helpful. जब COVID हुआ था, I gave a break of 3 to 4 months, और फिर उसके बाद on and off traveling होती है. वैसे तो COVID टाइम में traveling बहुत कम हुई है, thankfully, but I think that was one of the bigger reasons that I could follow this diet, because I was not traveling. So I think this was the best time कि I joined your group. Otherwise तो बड़ा temptations तो मिलते रहते हैं on and off. तो आप you definitely deviate from your diets. So I think this was a blessing in disguise, I suppose. I nearly lost. I mean, इतना भी नहीं. I think you might have had people with better results, but yeah, I did lose 10 to 11 kilos.